How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing great. I feel relaxed today.
Relaxed? Oh, that's nice. Why relaxed?
I went for a walk this morning. Walking helps me feel calm.
That's wonderful. Walking is a great hobby.
Yes, I like it a lot.
Today's topic is exactly about that. Today we are talking about how to talk about your hobbies.
Perfect. I love this topic.
Me too. Hobbies are fun, and people talk about them all the time. When you meet new people, when you talk with coworkers, classmates, hobbies are a great, easy topic.
Yes, people often ask, what do you like to do? Or what are your hobbies?
Exactly. So today, we will learn how to answer these questions simply.
Great, let's start.
First, let's teach some common hobby words. Repeat after us. Reading, walking, running, swimming, playing soccer, playing video games, cooking, traveling, listening to music, watching movies. Great job!
Many people like watching movies. It's very common.
Yes, and beginners can make very easy sentences. I like reading. I like cooking. I like traveling.
Very simple.
Listeners, repeat. I like reading. I like cooking. I like traveling. Excellent.
Emma, what are your hobbies?
I like reading books. I also like cooking, especially pasta.
Nice. I love pasta too.
What about you, Leo? What are your hobbies?
I like walking, like I said, and I also enjoy playing video games.
Fun. Video games are a popular hobby.
Yes, many people enjoy them.
Now let's teach a very useful structure. I like to blank and I like ing. For example, I like to swim. I like swimming.
Both are correct.
Exactly. Beginners can choose whichever is easier.
Listeners, repeat. I like to swim. I like swimming.
Great. Emma, maybe we should teach how to talk about how often you do your hobbies.
Good idea. Very useful. You can say, I swim every day. I walk every morning. I cook on weekends. I play soccer twice a week. Let's repeat slowly.
Yes.
I walk every morning.
I cook on weekends.
I play soccer twice a week.
Very good.
Let's do an example mini conversation.
Okay. What do you like to do?
I like walking.
How often do you walk?
I walk every morning.
Nice. That's healthy.
Yes, it helps me relax.
Great. And that was a natural, simple hobby conversation.
Easy for beginners.
Very easy. Now let's teach one more useful question. Why do you like it?
Oh, yes, good question.
You can answer with, because it's fun, because it's relaxing, because I enjoy it, because it makes me happy.
Nice, these are simple reasons.
Yes. Leo, why do you like walking?
Because it's relaxing.
Great answer. Why do you like video games?
Because they are fun.
Perfect.
Listeners, answer this. Why do you like your hobby?
Excellent. Now let's teach a longer but still easy hobby description. You can say, I like cooking. I cook on weekends. I like it because it's fun.
That's a great model. Very simple. Leo, give us an example.
Sure. I like walking. I walk every morning. I like it because it helps me relax.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Listeners, now you try to say your hobby like this. Start with, I like blank. Then say how often you do it. Then say why you like it. Great practice.
Emma, maybe we can introduce more hobby words.
Yes, let's add some more. Painting, dancing, gardening, yoga, reading comics, playing guitar, photography, biking.
Listeners, repeat. Painting,
dancing, gardening, yoga, photography.
Great job!
Do you have a hobby you want to try but haven't tried yet?
Yes, I want to try photography.
Really? Why?
Because I think taking pictures is beautiful and creative.
That's true. Photography is a great hobby.
What about you? A hobby you want to try?
Maybe swimming. I want to learn how to swim well.
Oh, that's a healthy and fun hobby.
Yes, and good for the body.
Now let's practice I want to try. Listeners, repeat. I want to try yoga. I want to try painting. I want to try swimming. Perfect.
Let's do another natural hobby conversation for practice.
Sure. What are your hobbies?
I like walking and playing video games.
How often do you play video games?
Maybe 3 times a week.
Why do you like video games?
Because they are fun and exciting.
Nice. What hobby do you want to try?
I want to try swimming.
Great. Good luck with that.
Thank you.
That was a very natural hobby conversation.
Yes, very useful for daily life.
Now let's give listeners a chance to practice speaking. Answer these questions out loud. What do you like to do? How often do you do it? Why do you like it? What hobby do you want to try?
Great practice.
Time for a quick review. Today, we learned how to talk about hobbies using simple sentences. I like reading. I like to cook. I walk every morning. I play soccer on weekends. I like it because it's fun.
And we learned many hobby words: reading, walking, cooking, traveling, video games, music, movies, painting, dancing, yoga, photography.
And we practiced important questions. What are your hobbies? What do you like to do? How often do you do it? Why do you like it? What hobby do you want to try?
Very useful for beginners.
Yes, hobbies are a great way to start conversations and connect with people.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Today, we learned how to talk about hobbies using simple sentences. I like reading. I like to cook. I walk every morning. I play soccer on weekends. I like it because it's fun.
And we learned many hobby words: reading, walking, cooking, traveling, video games, music, movies, painting, dancing, yoga, photography.
And we practiced important questions. What are your hobbies? What do you like to do? How often do you do it? Why do you like it? What hobby do you want to try?
Very useful for beginners.
Yes, hobbies are a great way to start conversations and connect with people.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.